Good morning. Please pass me your passport and I-20.
Good morning. Here is my passport and I-20.
Okay. What is your name and why are you applying for an F1 visa?
My name is Apekshaya, and I am applying for an F1 visa to pursue my bachelor's in computer science at California State University in the United States.
Why did you choose this university?
I chose California State University because it is highly ranked for quality education, excellence in applied research and affordable education for all students irrespective of their backgrounds. The curriculum aligns with my career goals, and the university offers excellent research facilities and faculty expertise in computer science.
What program will you be studying and why did you choose it?
I will be studying Bachelor in Computer Science. I chose this program because it combines my interest in computer and provides the technical skills I need to achieve my career goals.
What are your academic qualifications?
I completed my higher level education from St. Xavier's College with a GPA of 3.59. During my studies, I focused on computer programming subject and did a lot of project, which prepared me for this program.
How will you fund your education and living expenses?
My education and living expenses will be funded through personal savings, family support, scholarships, or loans. I have 50 lakh in my bank account, and I also have a scholarship from California State University covering 30% of my tuition.
What are your plans after completing your studies?
After completing my studies, I plan to return to home country and work as a software engineering in top-rated company. The skills I gain from this program will help me contribute to software developer in my home country.
Do you have any family in the US?
No, I do not have any family in the US. My entire family resides in my home country and I plan to return to them after completing my studies.
What are your ties to your home country?
My family, including my parents and siblings, lives in home country. I also have a job offer from Pi Innovation Company after I complete my studies. Additionally, I have property and strong social connections in my home country.
Have you been accepted to any other universities?
Yes, I was accepted to Princeton University, Yale University, but I chose California State University because of its strong reputation in computer and the opportunities it offers for research and internships.
What is your English proficiency level?
Have taken the IELTS test and scored 7.5 band. I am confident in my English language skills, which will help me succeed in my studies and communicate effectively in the US.
Do you intend to work in the US after graduation?
No, I do not intend to work in the US after graduation. My goal is to return to my home country and apply the knowledge and skills that I gained in a specific technology field.
Thank you. Your visa application is approved.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.